Assalamualaikum, welcome to my channel Code Seekers. This is part 2 of my videos on practicing loop structure in C++. In this part, we will perform two tasks based on the practice of for loop. So first of all, we will look how for loop works. Here is the syntax of for loop, the keyword for, and then in the round brackets there are three parts. The first one is the initialization part, then semicolon, then there comes the condition, and once again the semicolon, and after that there is increment decrement part, and after that there is body of the for loop. When the execution starts, the initialization step executes only at once. After that the condition is checked. If the condition is true, the body of the loop will execute, and after that increment decrement operation will perform, and once again the condition will check, and this loop will continue until the condition is true, and when the condition is false the loop will exit. Task number 3 is to write a program that asks the user to enter a number and print all the prime numbers less than that number. For example, if user enter the number n, that is 10, we have to print all the prime numbers less than 10, that are 2, 3, 5 and 7. We will perform this task using for loop. Task number 4 is to write a program to display sum of following series. The value of x and n is entered by user. We will perform this task using for loop. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and share my video and subscribe my channel to watch more videos on C++ and C#.